freelancer, and I'm officially done letting my keywords slow me down. Contra challenged me to build a functional app using nothing but my voice, and honestly, it changed how I think about my entire workflow. Using a combination of Wispr Flow, Gemini, and Lovable, I went from a rough idea to a working product in just a day. And today, I'm showing you the exact brain-to-build process, including the full demo right at the end. Let's go. Starting the documentation process of my Wispr Flow challenge entry. I'm planning on maybe using Lovable just because I know it's silly, but it's Valentine's Day, Lovable, and it has a heart, so it just makes sense. But I want to start with my AI of choice, Gemini, just to get my shit out of my head and into something tangible. I was brainstorming on paper earlier. I had 3 different ideas right away, but I'm thinking of going with the second one, that is an app for married couples, because hey, I'm married. So I am entering Contra's Wispr Flow challenge, which you can find the guidelines in the link at the top of this message. And basically my idea is to use Lovable to create an app for married couples that gives weekly date plans. My idea was that upon signing up, each person would build their individual profile and answer things like, do you have any kids, pets, hobbies? What's your favorite type of date? Where are you located? And what's your budget for dates? And then each week, it would give them a quick quiz. We could have a closeness score, like out of 5 stars. We could have a funny one, like an annoyance of the week. And there could be a way to give like a wink wink to the other person, like without being too mean, of, hey, here's what you need to get better at. And then my idea is that it would suggest the date of the week, and then you would go on that date, and then it could ask you to initially rate the ideas, and then after the date you would rate it again, and it would take both of those into consideration along with your initial answers and your weekly answers, and it would use that to improve your date recommendations. The end goal of this conversation should be to have a prompt to give Lovable to create this app. Here's why I love AI. Like, I had the idea, and it is working with me to extract more ideas out of me or to improve my idea. You can paste this directly into Lovable to get the foundation of the app started. Build an app called the Forever Valentine. I don't know if I want to have it name it for me. The thing that comes to mind is rekindling, because rekindling a flame that's like usually not fully there. Is that too deep? Design aesthetic. I want to have it use my branding. It's like a dark, fun neon vibe. I want to use that instead of the typical pink, red shit. I don't know if you noticed this far, but I have anxiety, so especially my left hand shakes a lot. So sometimes it can be, depending on how stressed I am, can be hard to type on the keyboard. So I use Wispr every day. To help me be faster and be more comfortable. So this is literally the perfect challenge. Rekindling acknowledges that relationships take work, but makes the work feel like a game rather than a chore. I love that. I would love to lean into that gamification of the app. I'm a gamer, my husband's a gamer. So maybe having like levels or scores, if we can incorporate some sort of pixel art, that would make my heart so happy. All right, I'm excited. Let's try to run this prompt. I want to make this happen. I wouldn't have been this excited if I didn't have the AI to back and forth with me. So I love this. Like, it brings out the creative in me. Instead of dates, calling it quests. I'm so excited I could cry. It's so silly. I love video games, and I love tech, and I love creativity, and when that all marries each other, it's so fun.